Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WhatsApp Contact for Magento 2. Now this particular extension allows the customers to contact and communicate with the store admin via WhatsApp. This can be done quickly just by a single tap on the WhatsApp button present at the product page, cart page and on the order success page after the order has been placed by the customer. So in today's video tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing how the admin can set up the WhatsApp number for receiving the messages from the customers in the admin backend panel. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you how the customers can quickly contact and communicate with the store admin via WhatsApp from the product page and the cart page. And for this demonstration, I'll be using an Android device and I'll be opening the store front end and back end on my device web browser itself. So right now you can see that I've opened the store front end and I'm on one of the product pages, that's the Just Duffel Bag, and this is on the mobile browser there, and I have opened the admin backend panel as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So first of all, let's see how the admin can set up the WhatsApp number for receiving messages from the customers. So after you have logged into your admin backend panel after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you need to navigate through stores and then configuration. On the configuration page on the left hand side under the webcool block, you'll have to navigate to the particular section, that's the WhatsApp sharing. So here you'll go to the webcool block and here you'll go to WhatsApp sharing, and this will bring up the WhatsApp sharing configuration settings. So here the admin needs to enter his WhatsApp number with his country code for receiving the messages from the customers. So under this particular section, you'll have to enter the telephone number and then you need to save the configuration settings. Now let's see how the customers can quickly contact and communicate with the store admin via WhatsApp. So for that, you can see that I'm on the product page right now, and here we have a product inquiry button or the product inquiry WhatsApp button. Now this product inquiry label that you can see, that can be configured by the admin in the plugin configuration settings. So you can set it up as per your own requirement there. So for example, if I tap here on the product inquiry, you'll see that the WhatsApp mobile would be automatically opened up, and the particular message or the default message is also set up in the message section there. And here at the top you can see the admin's telephone number and the image. If you want, you can add the admin's telephone number to your contact list as well, and you can send the message by tapping on the send button here on the bottom right hand corner, product inquiry for example, and the admin would receive this inquiry on his WhatsApp number that's shown at the top, and from here the customer can respond to the admin by typing in the message, need some assistance for this product, right? And the admin would receive this, then the admin would basically respond back to this message. For example, I'll be responding back from the admin's mobile device. Okay, what type? You can see that the admin's message has been received by the customer there. Okay, what type? Is it washable? For example, the admin would respond back, yes, it's washable. Yes, it's washable. So that's how the customers can basically quickly contact and communicate with the store admin via WhatsApp for a particular product from the product page itself. Now let's go back to the product page. Now if I add this product into the cart there, so let me add it into the cart there. I've added it into the cart. Now if I go to the cart cart section there, and I go to the view and edit cart, and on the view and edit cart as well, we can see the cart inquiry WhatsApp button is available there. You can set the label as per your requirement there. So if I want to ask the admin anything about the cart, I can tap here on the cart inquiry, and this will open my WhatsApp on my Android device automatically, and the details of the cart would be automatically filled up here within the message section, and then I can send that out. You can see the demo link or the live website link is there. My cart is the custom message. Just duffel bag into 1 units equals to 34, and $34 is the cart total. So if I check here, you can see that quantity is 1 and the subtotal is 34, right? For example, you can ask any other query as well to the admin. Can we place the order now? The admin would respond back as per the requirement there. For example, yes, you can. And you can see that the admin has responded back, yes, you can, from the particular WhatsApp number. And you can see that the admin is online right now at the top there. Now the same procedure goes with when you're placing the order as well. So let me place the order. For example, for that, what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and I'll just proceed to the checkout there. So at the checkout time as well, we'll be able to see the particular thing. And let me enter the details here. Let's enter the password. Let's try and log in. So let me make it checkout now. Okay, I'll choose the shipping method here. I'll tap on the next button. Okay, I'll just set it as no. I'll select the delivery address type. I'll choose the payment method and I'll tap here on the place order button. So after the order has been placed, we'll again see the particular WhatsApp contact button on the order success place page there. So as soon as the order gets placed, we'll be able to see the same. So it's just taking a few seconds there. So let's wait. So the order has been placed, you can see, and now from here we can do the order inquiry by tapping on the order inquiry WhatsApp button that we have. If I tap on that, we'll be redirected to the WhatsApp there, and you can see that the particular details are auto filled here, and then we can send the details to the admin as per the requirement there, and we can send it out to the admin, and the admin can then respond back as per the requirement there. So you can see that the admin is online right now there on the WhatsApp number there itself. So yes, that was much about the WhatsApp contact for Magento 2, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding how this extension allows the customers to contact and communicate with the store admin via WhatsApp. This can be done quickly just by a single tap on the WhatsApp button present at the product page, cart page, and the order success page there. So yes, that was much about the video today, and I hope that this helped you out in understanding the particular workflow at the Android device end. If you still have any questions, queries, sessions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.